Still going. Here we go. Today's the day for coming out and taking photos. I'm going to go around it. With the bridge. Oh. I've got another part of the bridge to go yet. Just hang on for a minute. View from the bridge. Down the other side. Alright, this is the street I walked down the other day. So cute. A lot of foliage. Motorbikes, I'm kind of cruising here now. Whoop, motorbikes everywhere. Lovely people, hello! They love saying hi. This is a nice fine street. Hello! Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Teresa, what's yours? And they clean the streets all the time. Here we go. Hello. Yeah, see, they answer. It's kind of cute. I'm going to stop at the end of this road. But all the trees, the foliage. Something about this place just gets in your heart. It's amazing. When I get to the corner, I'm going to stop videoing for the fact that I showed you that on the video the other day. And so there we go. A couple of little videos for you boys. Okay, ciao.